Good morning, dear students. In this video lecture, I am going to discuss the different type of alkyl groups, or you can say the nature of alkyl groups. That may be your primary, secondary, tertiary, iso and neo. For example, if we have a group like methyl, first of all, what is your alkyl? Alkyl means it is your alkane minus one hydrogen, that will refer your alkyl. For example, if we have CH4 and if we replace one hydrogen, then the group will be your methyl. So methyl group is your simply this CH3. So this group is referred as your methyl. The next higher homologue of methyl is your ethyl. So ethyl is your next higher homologue and its formula is your C2H5. That is we write CH3 and it is your CH2. So this group is your ethyl group. Now the next higher homologue of ethyl is your propyl. The next higher homologue of ethyl is your propyl. The propyl is your C3H7. This group is your propyl. This is your propyl. Now why we put a dash? Dash means if suppose this is your OH, it is your propyl alcohol. If it is your NH2, it is your propylamine. If it is your chlorine, it is your propyl chlorate. Now this propyl is of three types. This propyl is of three types. One is your normal propyl. Another is your isopropyl. And the third is your sec means secondary propyl. Now let us consider first of all what is your normal propyl. Normal propyl means CH3 CH2 and this is CH2. So this group is referred as your normal propyl or simply called it is your N propyl. N propyl means it is your normal propyl. Suppose here we have OH, then it is your normal propyl alcohol. Suppose in place of OH, we have your chlorine, it is your normal propyl chlorine. So this group is referred as your normal propyl. Now what happens in case of iso? There is branching of one alkyl group. Means suppose if we have CH3, and this is carbon and we have a branch of one alkyl like this. Now since it is your C3H7, तो आपका 3 कार्बन तो ऑलरेडी हो चुका. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3. Now out of 7 hydrogen we have 6 hydrogen. So we have only 1 hydrogen. So this is your hydrogen and this is the linking group or attaching group. So this group is known as your isopropyl. This group is known as your isopropyl. If we observe the situation of this carbon, because I have already given you the idea of primary, secondary and tertiary carbon in detail, that if you see the situation of this carbon, now this carbon is your secondary carbon. Why it is secondary carbon? Because it is attached with your 2 other carbon atoms. ये देखिए, ये दो अल्काइल के कार्बन से ये कार्बन जुड़ा हुआ है, इसलिए ये कार्बन आपका सेकेंडरी है. सो दिस प्रोपाइल इज ऑल्सो रेफर्ड एज योर सेकेंडरी प्रोपाइल. Now somebody may ask you, then what is the difference between your isopropyl and secondary propyl? The answer is there is no difference. In case of propyl, both isopropyl and secondary propyl both are same. तो प्रोपाइल के केस में एक फार्मूला, एक स्ट्रक्चर हो गया आपको नॉर्मल प्रोपाइल का, और दूसरा स्ट्रक्चर जो हुआ उसको आप दोनों में से जो मन हो कह सकते हो, whether it is your isopropyl or it is your secondary propyl, both have the same structure. There should not be any confusion. In case of propyl, isopropyl and secondary propyl both are same. There should be no difference. Now let us consider the next higher alkyl, that is your butyl. The next higher alkyl is your butyl. Now, as you know, butane is your C4H10. So, what is butyl? Butyl will be your C4H9. So, this C4H9, this is your butyl. Now, this butyl, it is of 4 टाइप. ये ब्यूटाइल आपको 4 तरीके का होगा, 4 डिफरेंट टाइप का होगा. वन इज योर नॉर्मल ब्यूटाइल. नाउ व्हाट इज योर नॉर्मल ब्यूटाइल? नॉर्मल ब्यूटाइल मीन्स स्टेट चेन CH3, CH2, CH2 and this is your CH2. So this type of butyl, this group, it is your normal butyl. Now the second is your isobutyl. Now in this normal butyl, the carbon, this carbon is your 1 degree carbon or your primary carbon. Now what happens in isobutyl? Iso हमने पहले ही कहा कि भाई आइसो में there will be one alkyl branching, only one alkyl branching, means it is CH3, this is carbon, this is CH3, then there is hydrogen. अब देखिए 4 कार्बन है आपको, and here we have only 3, so 1 carbon will be more. Now this is your CH2 and this is your attaching group. Now what happens? This group is your called isobutyl group. Now this carbon with which, suppose if there is alcohol, OH is attached, if there is halogen, halogen is attached, if there is amino group is attached, so that carbon is your still primary, this carbon is also primary. So isobutyl is a type of primary butyl, but there is one branching of your alkyl group. Now next is sec butyl. Sec means secondary. तो आपको इस तरह से स्ट्रक्चर लिखना है कि जो अटैचिंग कार्बन होगा ना, that should be secondary. So in butyl we have 4 carbons, say 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now the attaching carbon, suppose this carbon is your attaching carbon. So if this carbon is attaching carbon, this is secondary because ये दो अलग कार्बन से अटैच है. Now what should be your secondary butyl? Say this is CH3. Now there must be linkage, and this is your suppose hydrogen. Now this is your CH2 and this is your CH3. So you can write like this also. It is your CH3. ये कार्बन हो गया. अब ये जो हाइड्रोजन आपका नीचे है आप ऊपर भी लिख सकते थे like this, and this is your CH2 CH3. So we have attachment from this point. So this type of butyl, just you observe, this type of butyl, this is your secondary butyl or simply called sec butyl. Again you observe what is secondary butyl. See this is CH3, say CH, इसको कंबाइन करके लिख दीजिए, कंप्रेस कर दीजिए इस CH को, and then we have CH2, CH3. Now this butyl is your secondary butyl. सपोज यहां पर आपने OH लगा दिया तो आप इसका नाम क्या बोलोगे? सेकेंडरी ब्यूटाइल अल्कोहल. सपोज यहां पर आपने अमीनो ग्रुप लगा दिया, फिर क्या बोलोगे? सेकेंडरी ब्यूटाइल अमीन. If there is chlorine, it will be your secondary butyl chloride. Now one more is there, that is your tertiary butyl. Now if we write tertiary, that is the fourth type. Fourth type tertiary means your carbon should be tertiary. आपका कार्बन टर्शियरी होना चाहिए. देखिए this carbon is tertiary because it is attached with 3 different carbon. Now if you attach, so this group that is C4H9, so this group is your tertiary butyl. अगर मान लीजिए आपको कोई पूछे कि हम इसको टर्शियरी ब्यूटाइल सर क्यों कहेंगे, बहुत आसान है. यहाँ OH लगा दीजिए सपोज करिए. इफ यू पुट OH, इट इज योर टर्शियरी ब्यूटाइल अल्कोहल. If you put amino group, it is tertiary butylamine. If you attach chlorine, it is tertiary butyl chloride. It means this group is your tertiary butyl group. Now, students always confuse tertiary butyl with neopentyl. Neopentyl. हमने कहा कि हम लोग इसको हमेशा कंफ्यूज करते हैं किस ग्रुप से? तो नियोपेंटाइल. सपोज आई हैव टू राइट द नियोपेंटाइल ग्रुप. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई विल राइट नियोपेंटेन. हमको नियोपेंटाइल लिखना है ना, तो हम सबसे पहले लिखेंगे नियोपेंटेन. हमारा पहला काम होगा कि हम लिखेंगे नियोपेंटेन. नाउ व्हाट इज नियोपेंटेन? यू नो, दिस इज योर नियोपेंटेन. आप पढ़े हो कि ये आपका हो गया नियोपेंटेन. नाउ इन दिस नियोपेंटेन, इफ वी रिप्लेस वन हाइड्रोजन, कहीं से भी, यहां से तो रिप्लेस होगा नहीं बिकॉज ऑन दिस कार्बन देयर इज नो हाइड्रोजन. वेदर यू रिप्लेस फ्रॉम दिस कार्बन और फ्रॉम दिस कार्बन और फ्रॉम दिस कार्बन और फ्रॉम दिस कार्बन, कहीं से भी एक आप हाइड्रोजन को रिप्लेस कर दो. इफ यू रिप्लेस one hydrogen, then this is your group. Now this group is your neopentyl group. If somebody asks you, तो ये कौन सा ग्रुप हो गया आपका? Then your answer will be, it is your neopentyl group. Now this group is your neopentyl group. Now it is like tertiary butyl, but it is not tertiary. Why not it is tertiary? Because the carbon with which the groups are attached, भाई इसी कार्बन से कोई अटैच होगा. अल्कोहल होगा तो इसी कार्बन से वो अटैच होगा, अमीन होगा तो इसी कार्बन से अटैच होगा, क्लोरो ग्रुप हुआ, ब्रोमो ग्रुप हुआ तो इसी कार्बन से अटैच हुआ. then that carbon is your primary carbon. मगर यहाँ जो अटैच होगा वो इस कार्बन से, यहाँ जो कार्बन अटैच हो रहा है ना, that carbon is your tertiary carbon. So this is your tertiary butyl. However, this is your neopentyl. Now I hope कि आप जरूर समझ गए होंगे what is the meaning of iso, sec, tertiary, neo or etc. etc. Okay? So I hope there should be no problem. हमें उम्मीद है कि अब किसी भी स्टूडेंट को किसी तरह का कोई परेशानी नहीं होगा. कोई स्ट्रक्चर आपको पूछे कि राइट द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ आइसोपेंटाइल क्लोराइड, or write the structure of neopentyl chloride or write the structure of neopentyl alcohol or tertiary butyl alcohol. Thank you.